a huge amount of money to generate leads, but what happens if those leads never become your customers? Yes, you are investing in Google Ads, Facebook, content, landing pages, sales team, all to get someone interested in your product. But then the leads come in and your team only contacts them once. That's an entire investment going to waste, because the reality is most people aren't ready to buy the product the moment they become a lead. They need more information, they want to compare options, they not might be ready today, but they will be ready the next week if you convince them right way. And if you stop communicating with them after the first interaction, there's a good chance they'll forget about you or buy from someone else. Yes, this is where lead nurturing comes in. Instead of trying to convert a lead immediately, stay connected with them through relevant follow-ups, gradually move them towards a purchase. For example, if someone shows interest in a product, or let's say we take an example of a car, you could first share the model details, then highlight its feature, follow with an offer, and later invite them for a test drive. You are building relationship instead of just pushing sales in the first message, but doing this manually for hundreds of leads is very tedious task. That's another huge task for your sales team. This is where automation can make a big difference. So with Pabbly Connect, you can automate these follow-ups based on how your lead enters the system and what you want to communicate to them. So instead of letting your expensive leads go cold, you can keep them engaged automatically while your sales team focus on the leads that are actually ready to talk. Hello all, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand what lead nurturing actually is, why is it so important when you're investing heavily in lead generation, and how can you automate the entire lead nurturing process with Pabbly Connect. So let's get started. So let's just take example of a car dealership only. Let's say that I am running Facebook ads and I regularly receive leads from that. And I want to add all the lead details in my CRM, in my Google Sheets, send my leads in SMS. After 3 days, I'm just going to send them an email. And also after 5 days, I want to send a WhatsApp message. All of this can be done for hundreds and thousands of leads using Pabbly Connect. I'll show you how. You just have to open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect in your browser and open the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In the top right corner, you're going to see the option of sign up for free. So click on the sign up for free and you can get a free trial of Pabbly Connect. You can create this lead nurturing system for hundreds of leads for free. And yes, this is true. Once you try Pabbly Connect and if you like it, you can move in further and purchase the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. And for that, we have a special discount coupon code which is RITYT. It can get you a very heavy discount on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. Alright, so now we're on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect and let's see how we can create this amazing automation, or you can say lead nurturing system for our business. For that, you have to click on this create workflow and then create using a quick builder. I'm just going to start a new chart right over here. If you are new, you're going to see this window directly. Over here, you just have to mention what you want. So over here, I'm just going to mention my use case, which is I get leads from Facebook lead ads. So I'm just going to mention the same, and then I want to add them in CRM, in Sheets. After 2 days, a message, which is a SMS. Okay, so I'm just going to mention after 2 days, a SMS using Twilio should be sent. Now let me just move forward. After 3 days, a email using Gmail. Now let me just move on further. After 5 days, a WhatsApp message using Pabbly chat flow. So as you can see, I've mentioned all my details right over here, which is I get leads from Facebook lead ads. I want to add them in CRM, in Sheets. After 2 days, SMS using Twilio should be sent. After 3 days, over here I'm just going to correct this. After 3 days, an email using Gmail. After 5 days, WhatsApp message using Pabbly chat flow. Apart from that, if you want something else, you can mention it right over here and then simply send this. Once you're going to send this, it is going to analyze your request. You just have to wait. Once we wait over here, it is going to respond want. You just have to wait for a few seconds. It is saying which Facebook lead ads trigger, so I want to use new lead instant, so I'm just going to choose the same. For the CRM, it's HubSpot for me, so I'm just going to select the same. And for the event, let's select create a contact, because I want to create a contact for the Google Sheets. I want to add a new row in my Google Sheets. For the delay, I'm just going to add time delay right over here, and for the Twilio, send SMS message. Now once again, delay for 3 days, and then email, which is sent email, and then again delay for 5 days, and then we're just going to use Pabbly Chatflow to send text message. Yes, this workflow is created successfully. Facebook lead ads to CRM to Sheets to delay, then Twilio, then delay, then Gmail, then delay, then Pabbly Chatflow. So let me just click on this approve and create, and you're going to see workflow created successfully. So I'm just going to open my workflow. Once I open my workflow, you're going to see, yes, this workflow is ready. I just have to connect my accounts and I am good to go. Over here, as you can see, it is generating my workflow. Let me just wait for a few seconds, and yes, this is ready right over here. You can see Facebook lead ads, HubSpot CRM, Google Sheets. Over here, I'm just going to add 2 days delay, then Twilio, 3 days delay, then Gmail, 5 days delay, then WhatsApp message. This is called a lead nurturing system. Now you can just connect your applications right over here and you are good to go. You can simply enter the SMS which you want to send, you can simply enter the Gmail, or you can say email which you want to send, and you can simply enter the text message according to your choice. You can set the delay, you can add all the details. Apart from Facebook lead ads, you can use Google ads, your website forms, much more. Pabbly supports most of them. You can use multiple CRMs also. Pabbly supports most of them. If you want to send SMS using any another tool, you can select that too. You just have to mention that in the prompt. Same goes for Gmail and WhatsApp message. You can use WhatsApp Cloud API, Wati, AI Sensei. Pabbly supports all of them. If you want a detailed tutorial on how to build this entire system, like I'll show you how to connect the applications, how to write the message and everything. If you want that, just comment step by step and I'll share you the tutorial for the same also. This was just a tutorial where you will know what is lead nurturing and how you can use Pabbly Connect to nurture your leads. So you can create an automation, something like this, to nurture all your leads. It is very important that you start nurturing your leads using automations, because manual work cannot reach thousands and multiple customers, or you can say leads. And it is very important that before your competitors do, you start automating your lead nurturing system. So go and try this amazing automation, because right now we're offering a free trial. And then don't forget, my coupon code, which is RITYT, can get you 6% off on the subscription plan of Pabbly Connect. See you in the next video. If you have any doubts, just drop them in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.